What's up guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be explaining and showing you guys how to get better audio with live streaming. Last week I showed you guys how to live stream with a Canon EOS R and a Canon M50. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get better audio, but I'm going to be using the M50 to show you guys that it works as well. But the purpose of this video is for the audio. I'm going to be using a microphone like this right here, right behind me, and I'm also going to be using a lapel microphone to show you guys how to do it. Anyways, last week I showed you how to do the Canon EOS R. I had a lot of questions in the comments of how to do the audio because the technique that I showed, it allowed you to do it without an HDMI adapter. You plug in USB to the camera and you had a live feed from your camera, which turned your camera into pretty much a webcam, a very good quality webcam. But the only downside to that technique is it didn't get the audio that's from your camera and put it in with that feed. So it's only video, no audio. So today's video is going to be the audio part and how to sync it up, which honestly, it syncs up by itself. So it's really easy. So if you haven't watched that video, I would recommend you checking out that video. It's in the top somewhere, in one of the sides. But either way, let's get into it. We're gonna jump on the computer and I'm gonna get to showing you guys how to do it. So first of all, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to connect the camera and the microphone. And we're gonna be using a boom microphone for the first demonstration. So what we have to do is obviously connect the camera. You'll have to check the other video out to be able to see that. But once you're there, this microphone right here is a USB and then it plugs into the microphone. The links to this microphone will be in the description if you want to check it out. It's actually a pretty cheap microphone. It's a good deal and it does sound good. In a minute I'm going to switch the audio and you guys are going to hear this microphone instead of my lapel microphone. So you just plug this into your USB port into your computer, and then what you're going to do on OBS is you're going to have Scene A open, hit the plus sign. You're going to go to Audio Input Capture, hit OK. And then you're going to click on USB audio device right there. I'm sure you've seen that right there, bam. Hit OK, and then it's going to be there. You hit Transition, and bam, now I'm getting audio from this microphone. But before I did this video, I already set it up, so I'm going to delete one of my audio inputs. So you guys won't be hearing double. So I deleted one, hit transition, and now I'm getting only one. So right now you were hearing the audio from this microphone. So let me know if you're interested in getting it. It's a pretty good deal. It sounds pretty good. I mean, you do got to be kind of close. I should be closer than what I was. But this is a perfect setup. Obviously move the camera somewhere a little better. This is how you set up this microphone. It's really easy. As you see, it's in sync with this camera. And you can live stream. Bam, set your camera up somewhere where it's going to be a little better than what I did, which I just lost connection because I moved the camera and the cable I'm using is trash. So anyways, we're back up. I tried to move the camera and the cable I'm using is complete trash, so it disconnected. But that's how you do it. That's how you do it with this type of microphone. So now I'm going to show you guys how to do it with a lapel microphone. It's really easy. And while I show you guys how to do it with a lapel microphone, I am going to get the lapel. So hold tight, everything's still recording. Okay, so I'm back. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it from scratch. I'm not going to use the same lapel that I have on my side and on my neck because I want to show you guys how to do this from scratch. So what you do is you get your lapels out of the box that you have them in, or you have the pair in. This is the one that the microphone goes on. It's really simple. I'm going to try to do it really fast and cut through it because you guys probably already know how to hook up a lapel. Y'all are here to see me get it going on the computer. The lapel that goes on the body is right here. I'm going to set it to the side. And the whole main point and the whole thing that you guys are really going to want to purchase to be able to do this, I forget how much this has cost, but I think it's like $5. I will shoot some B-roll right now so you can see what it looks like. It's a very small device. It turns any microphone jack into USB for the computer, so the computer can recognize it and get a good signal. That's what this little device does. I'm going to put a link down in the description. I would highly recommend picking this up. It ships really fast and it's really cheap, and the shipping is really cheap too. It might even be free on Amazon. What I'm going to do is plug this in to the other half. This half of your lapels are going to obviously be on the computer, and then I'm going to plug this into the USB port that I just told you about. Bam, so that's going to be your setup. Then you plug this into your computer. Okay, so now I have that plugged on. Now I have to turn the lapels on, obviously. Okay, so they are connected. I could see these lapels that I have. You can tell whenever they're connected, and when I tap it, I get a gain, or I get a signal. So now that I see that I have a signal with the lapel microphone, I know they're connected, and I have it plugged into my computer. I go here down to the plus sign, just like I did with this microphone. Go to audio input capture, okay. And now I'm gonna click on USB audio device, because that's what that little thing is called, is just a USB audio device, which is gonna turn our lapels into a USB device, just like this is the USB device. Now that's gonna be a USB device. Now I hit transition, and now, as you can see on the screen, the audio is coming from our lapel. Put it through your shirt, hit go live, and now you have audio. And as you can see, this camera and this microphone is in sync. I switched over to this microphone right then. Bam. Switched over to this microphone. It's probably a little low because I ain't messed with the gain or nothing. But as you can see, my lips and the sound, you can see those taps, they're linked up, they're synced. So that's all you have to do. It's really easy. So with saying that, that is really all you have to do to be able to get good audio with your live stream. It's really simple. All the links to everything I just talked about will be in the description if you want to check it out. If not, it's cool. You probably already have everything you need to get good audio with a live stream with the technique that I showed you last week with your Canon M50 or Canon EOS R. So with saying that, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.